Hi, I'm Patricia, and welcome to my creative space. Today I have a tip video for you on the Jessama Smear. The first thing I recommend is to use something like a pearl clay in Primo. That is what I have used, and it seems to go on a lot smoother. Maybe it's because of the mica, but use a pearl clay for practicing when you first start out. Another thing I recommend is using a finger cot. That helps it stay on the polymer clay and not stick to your finger and come right back off with you. I've had that problem, so that's the second thing I recommend. And just like Samantha says, apply firm, even pressure as you're pulling. Kind of clean up the edges as you're going along, and don't forget to smooth them out. The more that you smooth them out now, the less sanding or buffing that you have to do later. And don't forget to heat your clay up really good in between your hands and make it into a snake before you start rolling it onto your baked clay. This is going to help it go on really smooth as well. Just trying to smooth it out. There we go. Like I said, I have a lot better time doing it with the finger coat on because it don't stick to me, and it actually will stick to the clay instead of sticking to my finger. So this is how I do the Jessama Smear. It works really well for me. Looks like I could use a little more there. I just press down deep, push real hard, pick up some clay, and then pop it where I need it. And clean it up. So I'm going to finish up the other two. And then I'll be back when we put bells on. Not bells, but bales on. Sounded like I said bells. But that's all I'm going to be doing for a little while. A fingerprint or something in there. There we go. So if this tutorial was helpful to you in any way, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I also have a Facebook group, Trisha's Lovely Creations, and I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.